Hi guys, you are all welcome back to the Crafty channel. So if you are new here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and be part of this amazing family, and also don't forget to on your notification bell to be the first to be updated anytime and whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. God bless you all. So today we are going to be removing the zip bulging at the back of any clothes, whether dress, skirt, top. You see that when you fix a zip, sometimes there's some pump at the back. So this pump gives the dress a funny look. So today I'll be showing you guys how to remove that zipper bulge at the back. And to do that, you need your basic back bodice. So as you can see, I have it in front of me here. So if you don't know how to draft a basic bodice pattern, I have the tutorial on my channel. You can go there and watch it so that you get more understanding on what I'm doing. And I'll be leaving the link in the description box so you can go out and check it. Thank you. So let's get on with the video. I have my basic back bodice here. So to do that, I'm going to be extending this waistline here. As you can see, this is my zipper line and this is my waistline. Let me write it boldly so that you can see it. This is my chest line. I label it CL. This is my waistline and this is my hip line. On this waistline, you are going to go in by half an inch. And the next thing to do is to draw a straight line from this half an inch to the neckline, and then from the waistline you are going to also draw another straight line to the hip point here. So hope you can see it. This is the first step. So the next step is from this zipper line point here on the edge here on the waistline, I'm going to go in by half an inch also. And from this point also, I'm going to be extending the line from here to meet the neck point here, and also come down to connect from this point to meet the hip line here. So you can see that zip line is no more straight, you see. So the next thing to do is to cut off the excess of the zip bulging. So you can see what I'm going to cut off this side, and this side that I'm cutting off is what makes the zip to bump up at your back. That shows that funny look. So I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to cut the neckline and the shoulder line out so that I can lay it flat for you to see how it looks. Don't forget, anytime you cut your shoulder, don't forget to always leave half an inch for the training along. So this is it. So I'm going to place them together for you to see. So guys, you see the zipper bulge have been removed. You see the space in the middle, the center now. So this is how it is. So if this tutorial has been helpful to you, please don't forget to leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and share my videos with your families and friends. And thank you very much for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.